Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Blockchain Enabled Information Sharing Within a Supply Chain, a systematic literature review. Introduction. Our project aims to bring a significant transformation to how supply chains are managed. In traditional supply chain systems, all data is stored on a single central server. This centralization creates vulnerabilities as a single point of failure can lead to data loss or unauthorized access. To address these vulnerabilities, we are turning to blockchain technology. Blockchain acts as a digital ledger maintaining a secure and tamper-resistant record of transactions and data. It records transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is added to a block and linked to the previous one, creating a continuous chain of data blocks. In the context of a blockchain, transactions refers to the actions or operations that are recorded on the blockchain ledger. These transactions can represent various types of data depending on the specific use case of the blockchain. And blockchain offers several advantages, including decentralization, that is, data is stored across multiple nodes rather than a single server. Transparency. Transactions are visible to all participants. Data encryption ensuring privacy. Reduced processing time eliminating intermediaries, and immutability, that is, transactions cannot be altered once recorded. Objective of the project. Our main goal is to integrate blockchain technology into supply chain management. And goals are to bolster security, ensure data remains accurate and unaltered, distribute data across a network of computers for added resilience, provide a clear view of operations for all authorized participants, and promptly notify stakeholders of any data modifications. These objectives collectively work to protect the integrity of the data throughout the system. To make interactions with the blockchain-based supply chain system easy and efficient, we are developing a user-friendly web interface using Django. Django is a robust web framework that simplifies the creation of web applications. The user interface will enable suppliers and consumers to interact seamlessly with the blockchain system. It will offer a straightforward and intuitive experience for registering users, adding product details, updating quantities, browsing products, making bookings, and viewing orders. Requirements needed to execute this project are hardware requirements: processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements needed are Node.js, Python 3.7.0 and Visual Studio Community version. To execute this project, we have designed few modules. The first module is Register. This module enables users, both consumers and suppliers, to create their accounts on the e-commerce platform. During sign-up, users provide their essential information such as name, email, and password. After successful sign-up, they can log in using their credentials. The second module is Login. The Login module allows registered users to access their accounts by entering their username and password. Successful login provides access to the platform's features and functionality. And we have two users, suppliers and consumers. These are the modules of suppliers and these are the modules of consumers. So in supply modules, we have add new products. This module allows suppliers to list their products on the platform. They can provide details such as product name, description, price, and upload product images. This module ensures that new products are seamlessly added to the e-commerce platform. The next module is update product quantity. This module allows suppliers to manage their product inventory efficiently. They can update the quantity of each product listed on the platform. This ensures that consumers see accurate stock information when browsing products. The next one is View Consumer Orders. This module provides a summary of the orders placed by consumers for the supplier's product. Suppliers can track order status, delivery details, and other relevant information. So in consumer modules, first one is Browse Products. Within this module, consumers can search and view product listings. They can filter products based on various criteria, helping them find the items they want to purchase. The next one is Place Order. Here, consumers are provided by a click here link. By clicking on it, they can place the orders. Blockchain integration. The blockchain is like a highly secure digital storage place. It holds important things for our online store like customer information, product details, and what people buy. Each piece of information is put in its own digital block on the blockchain. These blocks are linked together, forming an unchangeable record of everything that happens on our online store. And blockchain enhances the security of user account processes such as signing up and logging in. During sign-up, user data like usernames and passwords is encrypted and securely stored on the blockchain. When users log in, the blockchain checks their credentials to ensure only authorized individuals access their accounts. And the project utilizes blockchain technology to fortify the security of supply chain data. Blockchain employs advanced cryptographic techniques to ensure that once data is recorded, it remains tamper-proof and secure. This is crucial in safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access or alterations. In the context of this project, each piece of information such as product details or bookings is stored in the blockchain as a new block. These blocks are like digital containers that encapsulate specific data. Once data is added to a block, it undergoes cryptographic hashing, making it immutable and resistant to changes. And data integrity is maintained in the system through the utilization of the SHA-256 algorithm, that is Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit. Each block in a blockchain is linked with a unique hash code. These blocks are maintained across multiple nodes or servers. Before storing new records, blockchain verifies the hash code of each block. If any block data is modified, it results in a different hash code, triggering security alarms and ensuring the integrity and immutability of the data. Therefore, any attempt to tamper the data, such as altering, would be immediately visible on the blockchain. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is images folder in which I have these images which will be used in the application later. This is supply chain folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is supply chain app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And supply chain app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. And it also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands to manage Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now double click on it to start the Django application. So the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, local host and port unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see login and register here links. If we are new users, we have to register first. So click on register here link. So fill in all these details, select the user type and click on register button to sign up. So the username would be true 10. Give the password, give the contact number, give the email ID, give the address. Now select the user type. I am selecting it as supplier first. We'll register as supplier. Now click on register. So the sign up process is completed. Now we will create another account. So now the user type would be consumer. So the username would be true20. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID, give the address. So we have selected the user type. Now click on register. So the sign up process is completed. Now click on login. First we'll log in as supplier. So give the credentials of supplier. Username is true10. Give the password. So the user type is supplier. Now click on login. So here we can see add new products, update product quantity, view consumer orders and logout links. Click on add new products link to add new product details. So here supplier can add new product details. So fill in all these details. The product name would be phone. The company name would be Samsung. Product type would be electronics. The quantity would be 300. The product price is 15,000. Product description is Android phone. Now we have to upload the product image. Click on choose file. So I'm selecting the second image and now click on open. So I have filled in all these details. Now click on add products button. So we can see product details updated in the blockchain, and it has generated old hash code, block number and the current hash code. So now we will add another product. So the product name would be fridge. Company name is LG. Product type is electronics. Quantity is 20. Product price would be 50,000. Product description is red color. 5 years warranty. Now upload the product image. Click on choose file. So I'm selecting this image and now click on open. So I have filled in all these details. Now click on add products. So we can see the previous product's current hash code has become the old hash code now. New block has been created with block number 16 and we can see the current hash code. So now click on update product quantity link. So select the product name. I'm giving it as fridge. The quantity, enter the quantity to update. So I'm giving it as 40. Now click on update quantity. So after updating quantity, we will get previous and current hash code with block number. Now click on view consumer orders link. So here we can see the orders placed by consumers. Now click on logout. We'll log in as consumer. Click on login. So give the credentials of consumer here. The username is true. 20. Give the password. So select the user type as consumer. Now click on login. So here we can see browse products link. Click on it. So here we can search for products. Click on product type. I'm selecting it as electronics. Now click on search. So list of electronic products will be displayed here. These product details are fetched from blockchain. So here we can say click here link. By clicking on it, we can place the order. So I'm clicking on click here link of fridge LG. So the order has been placed and the consumer booking details are stored in the blockchain with block number 17, and we can see previous hash code and current hash code. So by verifying previous and current hash code, blockchain performs secure data storage. Now click on logout. Now we log in as supplier again. Give the credentials of supplier. So we have logged in as supplier. Click on view consumer orders link. So here we can see the order placed now. We can see product name, consumer name, contact number, email ID, address and order date. Now click on logout. So similarly, all suppliers and consumers may use this application and store their business data on blockchain decentralized server. So the conclusion here is, blockchain technology has been used in addressing the persistent issue of data tampering in supply chain management. By utilizing cryptographic hashing and a distributed ledger, blockchain makes it exceedingly difficult for any unauthorized party to tamper with or alter the data. Every transaction is recorded in a way that links to it securely to the previous one, creating a continuous chain of data. The project's user interface built on the Django framework provides an intuitive and accessible way for users to interact with the blockchain system. Django simplifies web application development, offering a user-friendly experience for tasks such as registration, data entry, and retrieval. The adoption of blockchain technology has fostered trust and transparency among supply chain participants. Blockchain's inherent transparency allows all authorized users to access and verify the same data. And this project serves as a practical demonstration of the immense potential of blockchain in enhancing the security and transparency of supply chain data.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.